What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson and I'm inside a 98 Chevy Silverado. Woo-hoo! In not the best condition, but check this out. 100% cold start. 270,000 miles. It ain't a good truck unless it has this right here. Super smooth, baby. What's going on? Check engine light. A little bit low on fuel. Oil pressure is good, and my temperature, well, I just started it up. 276,000 miles original. And let me just be quiet for a little bit and let's see how she sounds. I mean, wow. She shifts perfectly. She's got the power, man. Nice. She's not in great shape. We got this truck for 500 bucks. Well, actually, my dad paid 700 for it, and I told him, hey, I'll give you 500 for it, and you don't have to worry nothing about it. It has a check engine light, but I already smogged it. We already have it registered. I got the plates for 2023. Cannot believe it passed smog, especially over here in California. They had to run the monitors. They had to check the exhaust. They dynoed it, so they ran it on the machine, on the dyno. They checked the evap. So they tested the fuel cap. They also do a visual inspection and they check, believe the timing. So I mean, they just do so much stuff when smogging these vehicles that it's absolutely ridiculous. And it's almost, I'm amazed when something like this old with these miles passes. So that's how you know you got a good truck. First of all, when you got 300,000 miles, and second, when you pass California smog. So we're gonna be recycling this radiator, and I hope I can get some money for it. I remember a couple years back I recycled a radiator, and I used to recycle all the time, but now it's almost like not even worth it to recycle. But everything's up right now, so hopefully recycling is up and we can get some good cash for this radiator, because this radiator is gonna be part of the giveaway. I want to start talking about the giveaway, guys, because I want to start doing it. I want to put some money in your guys' pockets, and this is how we're gonna do it. But the recycling place is right here. It's right down the street, so that's what we're doing. We're just going right down the street. A little Honda. Go Green nice. Recycling, and I just got out of there, and everyone was really nice. They let me cut in line because all I had was one radiator. Everyone had a bunch of cans. Check it out. I got $1.17 for that radiator. Wow, 2/21, 2022. Jesus, go Green Recycling. Woo! And they do have good reviews. Everyone's like, oh, they're cool. Oh my God, only got $1. But it's okay. Let's talk giveaway, guys. I want to start doing a giveaway. I think I found a way to benefit me, to benefit you, to benefit everybody. We all know that cars, parts, everything is worth something. Everything is worth money, especially when it comes to cars. I love cars because with wheels and tires, you always have options. You can always do things, and you can buy, sell, trade. You just have options with a lot of these things. And even the radiator, a used radiator that is not worth anything to me is worth $1 here at the Go Green Recycling, which is okay. I was hoping to get more money, like $10, so I can get those $10 and give it to you. Explain what's going on right now. Right now, I got 780 subs, which is awesome. I love all of you guys. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. But I also I got a lot of views, and I'm basically considered an influencer at this point right now. I just started my Amazon affiliates marketing, so I'm selling things on Amazon. So click on my links, buy something. It's going to help support the channel. And I mean, if you shop on Amazon, you're already doing it, so it's not going to cost you any more money, and just do it, brah. But I got other companies that are sending me free things. Like I got free tow mirrors that I'm going to be installing, headlights, tail lights, just all kinds of stuff that they're sending me for free to try. And they want my review, and they ultimately want me to sell the stuff, which is awesome. But I'm installing them, I'm making videos, and then what I'm doing is the old parts. Most of the old parts are still good. Like I'm getting the tow mirrors, and I have good mirrors on my truck. So yeah, I'm basically gonna grab the old mirrors and I'm gonna put them up on Craigslist or one of these selling sites, OfferUp, Marketplace, and I'm gonna sell the parts. Whatever money I get from those parts, I'm gonna give to you guys. Just like the radiator, I was hoping to get at least $10 for the radiator, but I didn't get nothing. I got $1. I can't even buy a soda with $1, especially here in California. I just sold some tail lights. I put them up for like $60 and I got lowballed pretty hard. I think I sold them for $30. So what I'm gonna do is those $30, I'm gonna put them on a giveaway. So up next, I'm doing an install on that radiator on my mom's Camry. Rules, okay? Because there's gonna be rules. What you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. If you do that, you will be entered into this kind of contest that I'm gonna be doing. It's gonna be simple and easy because my channel is simple and easy, and I'm simple and easy. All you gotta do is do that. You can comment as much times as you want. I'm gonna be posting this video tomorrow. Now you will have until the weekend. That's right, until the weekend, until Saturday. On Saturday, I will be picking a winner, and on Sunday, I will be announcing the winner. And I'm gonna try to do this every week where I do a DIY, and on the DIY, you gotta comment as much times as you want, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, because I will be checking. I'm gonna pick a random comment. That's right, let's say I get 10 comments, and let's say you commented 10 times. So 1 through 10, and if it's you, I'm gonna be sending you $40. That is this week that I'm gonna be sending $40 because last week I sold those tail lights that I installed, and I got those tail lights for free and blah 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 blah. And I actually have more free tail lights on the way they're gonna be sending me, and I got tow mirrors installed that they just arrived today. So I mean, I got a lot of stuff going on, and I'm super behind on everything, but I'm gonna keep it up. I'm gonna make sure, because the thing is, I'm at work right now and today's like a holiday, and I didn't even know today was a holiday. That's just wild. Whoa, that shopping cart just fell on the floor. Gotta be careful here. Shopping cart on the floor. Shopping cart down. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to do, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you guys think there's a better way to do it. So all you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. If you do that, you're gonna help me out. Also, I wanna help you guys out, give back to the community, especially you guys that are commenting so much and liking my stuff, and I really appreciate it. It doesn't matter what you comment. You know, you can even throw a little bit of shade at me. That's cool. I haven't had a chance to respond to a lot of the comments, mostly because I've been working so much. I'm working, you know, 10-12 hour shifts right now, 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday. Sunday is my only day off, and then I'm doing videos, and that takes me another 3 to 4 hours to do the video, edit the video, all that stuff. So I am literally working like 16-hour shifts right now, busting my butt to get good content for you guys, and to do my job the way it's supposed to be done, and also do this giveaway now. So it is a lot, but I know I can do it. I know I can handle it. I'm the kind of person that's always pushing myself, and if you're like me, this is the channel for you guys. And everyone always thinks that we're super rich and we got a heck of money and all this stuff. But let me tell you something, if I was rich, why would I be working 14, 15-hour shifts? If I was rich, why would I be busting my butt so hard? You know what I'm saying? Like, rich people, I'm not sure if they do that or not. At least they say they do. But I'm broke like a joke, and I'm busting my butt. Because over here in California, it's tough. And you see, I just got $1 for a radiator, man. That sucks. But it is something. $1 is something. And even though my giveaways are going to be small, it's something, and it's going to be for you guys 100%. And I'm going to try and do it every week where I do a giveaway. So make sure to watch the video, the entire thing. That way you know what's going on. And I'm going to be reminding you also like once a week or something that the giveaway is coming up. So that's the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And man, this Chevy Silverado with 300,000 miles, I mean, it ain't a good truck unless it has 300,000 miles, right? Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all. Bye.